I know you are a Halloween lover. In this video, I will share with you some awesome face paint for Halloween with the best reviews. Let's start. Number 1. Fake blood for Halloween. This product can be used for a variety of wound effects, such as Halloween makeup, cosplay, film and television effects. It is made of various food ingredients, like food coloring and syrup, etc., non-toxic and harmless. 1. Made of various food ingredients, non-toxic, skin-friendly, and easy to clean. 2. Easy to apply, can be painted with a brush or just by hand. 3. Halloween must-have makeup essential tools can create a good holiday atmosphere. 4. It can be used as a professional makeup tool for film and television. 5. It can completely make the perfect effect of a super realistic injury. 6. Portable and lightweight for easy carrying, you can use it anywhere and anytime. Don't worry about quality. This product has good review. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Flash Tattoo Face Body Paint. Grease paints are packaged in a 12-color case to provide professional makeup artists with the colors they need for any type of artistic makeup or special effects coloring. These thick, creamy tones flawlessly cover the skin. The colors can be easily shaded together to obtain a wide variety of effects, depending on the quantity applied. They can also be used as party and holiday makeup for children. Best for creating crazy looks, such as fun-themed party, fancy dress, Halloween, carnivals, fiesta. Grease paint is a kind of oil-based face painting, not water-based one. This product has good review. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Hot Halloween Skin Wax Body Face Painting. Skin of wax can cover the eyebrows, can create scratches, cuts, wounds, etc. Designed for fake wound scar to achieve like true surface, a great trick to astonish and scare your friends. Suitable for fun-themed party, fancy dress, Halloween, carnivals, festival or any special effect makeup art. It only can be used as makeup, please do not take it in other use. Easy use for makeup effects for any special event. This product has good review. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.